All right, got Arby's today. They brought back their Diablo roast beef and their Diablo chicken sandwiches, their spicy chicken sandwiches. My first video I ever done was actually the Diablo roast beef. That was a big bite.
Wow, the mouth.
And as you all know, I love spicy foods. Oh man, my damn teeth's burning. So this time, I got the Diablo chicken sandwich. So, like I said, I got the jalapenos, the Diablo barbecue sauce, the seasoning, the Diablo seasoning, and some cheese on there. So that's what it looks like. But you know what I gotta do first? You already know. Get a curly in me. Decent today. Get some sweet tea in me. Sweet tea hitting. Sweet tea is hitting. So, get a bite of this bad boy here. Go ahead and take a bite. It's got good spice to it. I mean, it is spicy, so it's not for the weak, but it's not that spicy. I'm starting to kick, but I think the roast beef is probably spicier, but you can definitely taste the jalapenos. It's definitely the barbecue sauce. It has a real good kick to it. So it's not bad. It's not that messy like the roast beef one as I did last time. The last time I had it, it was very sloppy. It was going everywhere. This one's not too bad. If I had to rate it, I'd probably say 7 out of 10. I think the roast beef was better as far as like the heat, the flavor. Chicken sandwich is okay. Not too bad. Got a little heat to it, but it's not that hot compared to when I had the roast beef. So I'll give it out 7 out of 10. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and keep sending me suggestions, and I appreciate the support.